Loading paper in the HP Officejet 5200 and Envy 5000, 6200, 7100, and 7800 printer series. Slide out the paper input tray, and then, if necessary, remove the output tray. Slide in the photo paper tray, if your printer has one, and then slide the paper guides to their outermost position. Load a stack of paper into the tray without exceeding the maximum fill line. Adjust any guides so they rest on the edge of the paper. Replace the output tray, if necessary, and then slide in the input tray. If you loaded legal-size paper, a portion of the paper sticks out of the printer. On the printer control panel, confirm the size and type of paper loaded. If necessary, open the output tray and output tray extender, and then print a document.